Hey friend, and now I will tell you how to make the product work. First, you just need to install this app, eControl, Broadlink eControl, okay? Because this is a Broadlink product, okay? I have already installed this app, yes. And then you watch here. This button, reset button, I need to press it. Long press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Until the maybe 5 seconds or 6 seconds, and the red light blink. Okay. After that, you need connect your Wi-Fi. First, connect to your home Wi-Fi. This is my home Wi-Fi. Okay. Then already, and back to the app. Then add device. This one. Add device. And it will show the Wi-Fi name and password. You just enter your passwords. Okay. And your passwords must no more some special words. Just normal. Okay. And your home Wi-Fi need if 5G Wi-Fi is not working, just need 2.4G. Yeah, I configure it. Yes, and you can watch what happened. After this, and it will show the configuration successfully. You can see the blue light start blink. Okay. Yeah, it's successfully. New device list. Okay, I'm back. Just go to the device list. Maybe I can find. Yes, this one. Chinese name. This one is this device, and now I control it and you test it. Yes, this one, first one, S1. This is the S1. S1 is working. Yes, S2, S3. Okay, I can close wall. Yes, and I open wall, close. Yes. Okay. So this is how to make the device work. Yes, you just do it as my video. It's very easy. Yeah? So you watch my video first and you test it. If you still can't make it work, could you please do the same video like me and let me know how you do it, because maybe sometimes there is some wrong steps. So I just want to watch how did you do it. Then I can from your video to find some problems. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.